Southern Tennessee Orthopedics welcomes orthopedic surgeon Dr. Paul Thomas. Injuries and foot pain can rob you of the activities you enjoy most. So our team is here, close to home, to address the pain and to get you moving again. Call 931-762-4400.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your afternoon weather update.
Good Monday afternoon and happy Labor Day. I'm Kelli Rosson here in the Tennessee Valley Weather Center with a check at your forecast for this holiday as well as for the rest of the week. Now we're starting off on a calm and dry note. For earlier this morning, we've had high pressure just to our east, keeping away any showers and storms. However, we could see some pop up later on this afternoon. So let's go ahead and play through what we can expect. Coverage not great, but we could see isolated storms pop up and move through for this afternoon. You can see here again, coverage not too impressive, but there is still the chance there with temperatures in the upper 80s across the region. We start to eventually dry out for the evening as the sun goes away, but then overnight we could see a few sprinkles and rain showers. And starting off our Tuesday that way, a little bit on a gloomy note with temperatures already in the 70s, however, not getting up much warmer than the upper 80s to maybe lower 90s. Now we are going to expect some more storms for your Tuesday afternoon as those move through. Maybe a strong storm or two, but overall we're not looking at a severe weather outbreak by any means, just some typical summertime thunderstorms during the afternoon hours. Then we get to break for Tuesday night, and then Wednesday we are right back to it with a chance for scattered showers and storms. So here's a breakdown of the storm chances. Again, chances aren't too great, at least at this time, but we're going to give it a 30% chance for your Tuesday and Wednesday. For today, though, a 20% chance during the afternoon hours. And then those chances eventually taper off after Thursday, making for a dry Friday and a dry Saturday here in the Tennessee Valley. And as far as temperatures go, we're not going to get too warm, just topping out in the lower 90s for Wednesday, but until then we are just in the 80s for today and tomorrow, and then into the upper 80s for Thursday. Then heading into the weekend we get back into the mid 80s, so a little bit more comfortable as far as temperatures go for this week, aside from that 90-degree day. Here's your hourly forecast for the rest of your Labor Day. We are looking at a few storm chances during mainly the afternoon hours, wrapping up by evening, by sunset, with temperatures topping out in the upper 80s, maybe a few lower 90s in northwest Alabama. And then we start decreasing temperatures 7 p.m. into the lower 80s and then into the mid 70s by 9 and 11. So just watch out for a pop-up storm or two this afternoon, but I wouldn't cancel any outdoor plans. I would just keep your eye to the sky and have our free Tennessee Valley weather app handy and download it onto your phone. Here's your 7-day forecast from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. A little bit unsettled for the beginning and middle of this week, with temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s until we get to Friday. That's when we start to dry out and slightly cool off back into the mid 80s, with dry conditions expected this weekend.